Hi everyone, Gagajoy again. We're still continuing our holiday treats, recipes, and this one's a real simple one. And I have to say though, I have put it on for weeks trying to find the right jelly. It's apple jelly and pineapple jelly. This is pineapple preserves, and this one is just jelly. And after I looked for it so much, my friend said, "Why did you go to all that trouble? I always use apple jelly and raspberry jelly." So I thought, oh, that would have been good. But I didn't. I'm using these two. Maybe next time I'll use the raspberry jelly. But anyway, they are really, they're just, it's a real good offer, to put on the table quickly. And sometimes it's just better to have a quick offering. I used to, more so, I had to have such quick recipes to fix so often. But now that my kids are older, they entertain their friends. I'm gonna I put about, I don't know, a third of a cup of each one of them in here. Just warm it up a little bit for me. Now, of course, I use 1 bar of cheese, cream cheese. I usually use 3, but for today's presentation, I'm just going to use 1 because I've got to make it again next week. So this will be a good precursor to the one I make next week. I think we all like different things this time of year. I just mix these two. And just simply put it over. No additives? Nope. But that's one side. If you want to put chopped up jalapenos in here, it's delicious. I'm going to put just a few crushed red pepper flakes, a flick. This would be my preference, although the jalapeno is really good. And you see how easy it is. And of course, you can put a beautiful presentation if you're having company. We always use these crackers, and we're a townhouse cracker, so I'll use those next week without opening them today. Anyway, it's still a very good treat. I'll go for this one. I'm telling you, this is one of the better ones. I know it seems so simple it couldn't be that good, but I'm telling you, it really is good. So good. Fun place to put. Well, this is one of my little add-ins. I hope you have a good afternoon. I have still got so many recipes to make. It's good to have you to try them. I'm trying my recipes out on you right now. This one is that good. Townhouse crackers may be good, but I think these crackers are the best for me. I think we all have crackers that we prefer. My children love the round ones, but I love the townhouse. So I usually keep them both. Use it. It's easy to make. It's an inexpensive one to make, especially if you still have your jellies. Take care of yourself. Remember this recipe. Try it. Let me know how you like it, especially the one with the little bit of pepper. Take care of yourself. Remember the sign of the year. Remember the joy. I'll see you soon. Bye.